The one-to-one property of logarithms says that if two logs with the same base are equal, then their inputs must be equal. We can use the one-to-one property of logarithms to solve simple logarithmic equations. We're going to solve these four. Give them a try yourself before watching the solutions. The first problem is log base 2 of x minus 3 equals log base 2 of 4. Since we have two logs that are equal, and have the same base, it must be that their inputs are equal. X minus 3 must equal 4. Setting the inputs equal to each other, x minus 3 equals 4, we can add 3 to both sides and find that x equals 7. Moving on to the second problem, we have log base 5 of x squared minus 7 equals log base 5 of 2. Equal logs with the same base, so the inputs must be equal. X squared minus 7 must equal 2. Then adding 7 to both sides tells us that x squared must equal 9. There are two numbers that satisfy that equation. Positive 3 squared is 9, and negative 3 squared is 9. So x equals plus or minus 3. Moving on to the third exercise, we have that the natural log, which is a log base e, the natural log of 4x plus 5 equals the natural log of 3x plus 10. Both of these logs have a base of e, so if they're equal, their inputs must be equal. So 4x plus 5 must equal 3x plus 10. Setting those inputs equal to each other, we can subtract 3x from both sides of the equation, which will just leave a single x on the left, and we can subtract 5 from both sides of the equation. So on the right, we'll just have 10 minus 5, which is 5. And so we get our solution, x equals 5. Finally, problem 4, again we have a base e. Natural log of 4 equals the natural log of 6x minus 8. Since these are equal, it must be that their inputs are equal. 6x minus 8 must equal 4. Setting those equal to each other, we can add 8 to both sides of this equation and find that 12 on the left equals 6x on the right. Then, dividing both sides by 6, we get that 2 is equal to x, which you may prefer to write as x equals 2. And that's how to solve some basic log equations using the one-to-one property. If the logs with the same base are equal, their inputs must be equal. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions, and I'll leave a link in the description to a set of some more challenging log equations. Be sure to check out my Precalculus course and Precalculus exercises playlists as well, linked in the description. Thanks for watching.